Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're doing okay in your part of the world today. So this is going to be an air horn prank compilation video, and this one is titled "Wake Up Air Horn Pranks Hilarious Alarm Clock." So let's get to it, Sean Scribers.
I dropped it in the toilet.
Get on the phone!
Damn it, Jen!
Babe!
I almost myself.
He's not even doing the exercise, he was just on his phone.
Is it on? How about the lights?
Next. Stop it, Woody!
As a hat trick! Bunny. Fire, good fire. My chicharrón, fucking Hey, Praise, come on, man. Come on up on here, brother. Woo! Come on, brother.
That's not even funny! You guys are assholes! Hateful!
He's in the bathroom. You can look.
You ever lean back in your chair?
Lay back?
Yeah.
This thing goes, look how far this thing goes back.
Got him!
Alright, I'll just cut it off there. That was a pretty good air horn prank. I've never done that to people, but I would probably get my butt kicked if I did do that to some people. Random people, really. Like this video if you like air horn pranks, and if there's one that you'd like for me to react to, comment the title of it and who did it if you don't mind my sharing. Well, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for loving and supporting this channel, and I encourage you to do so even more. I'm gonna close this off here, but do please subscribe at the bottom for more content. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, hit that bell below to keep up to date with my video releases and posts. Also, there is a thank button at the bottom of the video where you can donate money towards the channel, and any donations would be extremely helpful. Also, comment below on a video you think I should react to next. And as always, guys, take care and God bless everybody.